Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or restore a missing sleep option in Windows 11 Power menu. When you click on this one Start button and click the Power option, you should see here Sleep option in case your Windows 11 laptop supports sleep. In case it is missing and you want to add it back, then you need to go through Control Panel. For this, click on this one Start button, then type Control, and in the search results, click on this one Control Panel entry. In the Control Panel window, select View Y2 category, and then click on Hardware and Sound. Then click Power Options. Then click Choose what the power button does. Now click this one link, change settings that are currently unavailable. Now check this one Sleep option. Click on Save Changes button. Now click on this one Start button and then click Power option. Now you should see Sleep option in Power menu on your Windows 11 PC.